What we are going to do now is take a look at the spectrum of the hydrogen discharge light, and we're going to do it with the spectroscope. And you can then compare your observations with the spectroscope to your observations with the diffraction grating. And what you should find is that they are consistent. But it's up to you to explain how and why that is so. And the key, of course, is to look at the emission lines on the spectroscope and to compare the wavelengths of those lines to the colors that you saw for the lines in the diffraction grating. So let's see how we're going to do that. You can see I have the spectroscope lined up with the hydrogen discharge lamp. So let's turn it on. Makes a marvelous sound. It's a great sound for Halloween. And what does this give us? So here's what we see on the spectroscope. And what you see is you see a couple lines. But that's not the end of the story, because there are a total of 4 lines that we will be able to measure. There are those 2 lines, which are the brighter lines. So you'll want to take those down in your lab report. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to saturate those lines by moving the spectroscope closer to the discharge lamp so that we can reveal the 2 fainter lines. Can you see them? Not that one way up at... Not this guy. He's noise. He's from somewhere else in the room, or he's from contamination of the lamp. Because these lamps are getting old, which means, well, there's stuff coming off of the glass, stuff coming off of the elements that's causing noise. So there is this line and this line that you had before, but there's also this line and that line. Those are the 4 legitimate discharge lines. Those are the 4 that you want to notate in your lab report. And again, you want to compare what you're seeing from the spectroscope. In your lab report, you're going to compare what you're seeing to what you saw through the diffraction grating.